What do you think? Which one you will go for? Logitech G502 or Razer Basilisk Ultimate? Let's first unbox G502. Comes with light speed, hero, power play, light sync, weights, and hyper fast. Let's open it. Mind blowing, friends. This really looks cool with shiny texture. Let's unwrap it. Such a satisfying feeling. What's more in the box? Welcome to a fresh new take on gaming gear. Okay, other gears option and a Logitech sticker. Then we have few demos which you can use to by yourself. और अगर आपको इसका complete demo चाहिए, you can comment me. I will come with that too. Completely braided cable. What is the use of cable if it's wireless? Let's see. And this seems to be the weight. And a lightning connector. You got all these weights and a lightning connector which you can easily plug in with your PC. You got almost 6 weights. You can use the weights here. Just you have to push it like this and it comes off. You can put your lightning connector also here and the weight also to manage it as per your requirement. Let's check Razer Basilisk Ultimate in the same range, same cost में almost आता है. Let's unbox it. Where is the mouse? Oh, that I'm already using from a year now. And this is the mouse. This too looks very cool. What we got here? A nice booklet, much better than Logitech one, with the guides and all. Few Razer stickers. The protection and boxing is very nice. An unleash your true potential letter from Razer. Let's keep it aside. So this exactly comes in this way. You have a connector. Oh, connector is not here. Which you can put over here easily or directly PC में भी लगा सकते हो. Done. Mouse is ready to go and charging. ये भी एक बहुत ही अच्छे ब्रेडेड केबल के साथ आता है. जैसा रेजर कहता है ये लाइटेस्ट माउस है उनका, बट स्टिल इसमें आप रेजिस्टेंस इसके फंक्शंस को रीसेट कर सकते हो. कितना रेजिस्टेंस आपको चाहिए वो सेट कर सकते हो. देन यू हैव एन ऑप्शन जहाँ से आप इसको चार्ज कर सकते हो. लेट्स ब्रिंग द Logitech 502 in front of it. What do you think? Which one looks more cooler? Which one looks more good? This one or this one? It got all RGB look over here. Similarly, in this you have got the RGB over here and here. Both the companies have their own software to customize the look and feel of the RGB. As I said, कि इसका complete review आपके रिक्वायरमेंट के बेसिस पर कमेंट करोगे तो मैं जरूर लाऊंगा. कौन सा माउस आपको लेना चाहिए? Both are beast in gaming. I've experienced this one for a long time. I've heard a lot about this one. So that I will check. One thing which I like about G502 is this one, the ultimate scrolling system. It keeps on scrolling and it looks so cool. Both have the same kind of gripping system and both have the same kind of comfort in hand. Not much difference. Let's see. I hope आप लोग कमेंट करोगे, वीडियो पसंद आई तो जरूर लाइक कर लेना और सब्सक्राइब कर लेना इसी तरह की वीडियो को आगे देखते रहने के लिए।